Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn this photo from this photo. So we will start with the Lightroom iPad. So first of all we will make the rough sketch how we will edit this photo. So in this photo, as you can see, I was using the concept of leading lines. See, I'm using the leading lines to show the subject, emphasize the subject. So in this edit also I will follow that one. So what I will do, I will pop out the subject like this and I will crop a little bit, I will frame it and I will leave this one, and this area will be less contrast when we comparing it to the subject. So we will make it a little bit dark like this. So we'll pop this area, so we will make it a little bit contrasty, and we will just clean these face spots now. So let's get into the Lightroom. So we loaded up the profile here. So first things first, we will remove the chromatic aberration and the lens correction. Then I will just paste the settings from my previous file. So I will leave the link in the description so you can see the difference there. So next I will go to the geometry and I will use the constraint crop. Then you can see there's some patches in the face. So I will make it upright, then I will go to do the little bit of noise reduction to smoothen it up. As you can see in the picture, so I just want to make it like fine tuning with the details. See the difference? So I will use the healing tool to remove all the blemishes and these spots over the face and some pimples. So I will keep doing that until I'm getting a cleaner skin. See over here also, but don't forget, sometimes when you are doing the healing, it will not taking the exact same spot, like it's not exactly sampling the same texture or the same tone of the face. So in that case you need to refine it. See, sometimes I'm undoing because I want to make it like more realistic and natural. Don't want to kill this originality in the picture. See, here also you can see, especially near the eyes, it will be like crucial to do this healing because there will be lots of little details that we will lose if we doing it without any plan. See, you can see here, see. So we need to undo and we need to redo it by step, and when we having any like unrealistic situation, so we will remove. We'll start from the beginning. You can see the difference, right? So I think it will be better than before. It's like little stuff, we will clean it. That's how we will clean this pimple faces full of pimples jokes. Just kidding. Her face, actually, she have a sharp face and her face is beautiful. What we need to do, like we need to pop up the best out of her face. For me, and I actually don't like to wearing some jewelries, like see this jewelries, like I don't actually want that one in the picture, but she was preferring that, so I just let her to keep it in that way. So we need to be flexible with the client sometimes. See, there were some like tiny pimples over her chest also, so I just cleaned it. We will just finish the forehead. Like this one is like, see, mostly you can see the what you call that, the lighting, so light separation. So due to that you getting some. See, as the final we will get a nice good looking, and you can see the flickering, the chromatic aberration is still there. So I will add this adaptive portrait after I'm fixing with the face. Then I will go to the color, and with the color mix I can remove that like flickered colors. So we will go there. I will just slightly adjust the colors. You can see like huge difference when you sliding through this color mix. So if you are using iPad for photo editing, this is like mostly this is the best option. Just there is like only like little subscription per month, I think only $5. If you are buying for like whole year, it will be more or less for 1 month. But currently I'm using the 1 month subscription plan. We'll see, we'll just slightly adjust here and there. See, it's nice. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any comments, just leave it below, so I will help you with that.